to all of you students. Now very important question is here, one of the very important question that is coming, that why haloarine are less reactive than that of haloalkane. Okay, why this is less reactive than that of haloalkane? Due to the following reason. We have to discuss there following points. Number one is here under the following point, that is a resonance effect. Okay, and number two is a difference in the hybridization state. Hybridization state. Okay, then next one is a polarity. Fourth one is a instability of phenyl cation. Okay, and number five is here. Yes, number 5 point is here, repulsions between electron rich attacking nucleophile and with the ring, means electron rich arene. You can write electron rich arene means beta aromatic ring. These 5 points we have to discuss with one by one. Okay students, so number one, first point is there, that is a resonance effect. But in the previous video only we have made the resonance structure of the chlorobenzene. Same way, when we are making, you please see all of you, the resonating structure of the chlorobenzene, then what is going to happening over there? You must see all of you very carefully. And just I am making first of all the all benzene ring. Okay, after that I am going to make the pairs in this ring. Okay, see, everywhere it is a chlorobenzene. Now you must see all of you, in the first case this is there, and chlorine is containing total 6 electrons. Fine, so I can rotate this one, this bond can be rotated, the double bond can come here like this. Is that possible? Okay, see there. Now what to do there, beta? This pair can go there and this pair will come over here. Then what is going to coming there like this? Here it is double bond, positive charge, and only 4 electrons will remain over there, and there it is a negative charge. Same way, what to do there? Then this pair of electron can come here, this pair of electron will come here. Then in this ring, here is a double bond, and there is a negatively charged, positively charged. Yes or no? Is that clear? Oh, same way, after that what we can do? There is again like this, positively charged. And now you see all of you what is going to happening over there. This pair will go there and this pair will come over here. Okay, then what will happen there? This one and this one, and there is a negative charge. Am I Am I right, beta, all of you? Now what is going to happening over there, beta? What do you have seen there? See, in all these resonating structure, okay, means from structure number second, third, fourth and fifth, there is carbon double bond halogen. Yes or no? Means partial double bond character is there. What is it? Partial double bond character is there. That is why cleavage of bond becomes difficult. Cleavage of bond becomes difficult. But in the haloalkane, there is only a single bond. There is only single bond which can be broken very easily. Clear? So that is why, means due to the resonance effect, what we told, in the chlorobenzene there is partial double bond character, but in RX there is no resonance and only single bond. That is why it is more reactive. Now we are going to do its second point. Its second point is here, that is about the difference in the hybridization. What is about difference in the hybridization? So whenever we are talking about the difference in the hybridization, usually what we are saying over there, you must see, all of you, let it be, this is our benzene ring with the halogen, and this is the alkyl halide. Okay, now what is going to happening over there, beta? You must see, all of you, here halogen is attached with the double bonded carbon, so it is sp2, and here this is attached with the halogen carbon, this is called sp3 hybridization. Okay, beta, what do you call it? sp2 hybridization. This is called sp3 hybridization. And just remember one thing, beta, whensoever we are talking about the hybridization, okay, जो sp2 हाइब्रिडाइज है, अगर हम इसके एस करेक्टर की बात करें, इट इज़ हैविंग अ 33% एस करेक्टर, sp3 इज हैविंग अ 25% एस करेक्टर. ये कैसे आया 100/4? ये कैसे आया 100/3? तो विच इज़ हैविंग अ मोर एस करेक्टर. sp2 इज हैविंग अ मोर एस करेक्टर देन दैट ऑफ sp3. ओके, तो इट मीन्स, तो व्हाट डज इट मीन? हाँ, एस करेक्टर ज़्यादा होने की वजह से क्या होगा बेटा? देयरफॉर CX बॉन्ड, देयरफॉर द CX बॉन्ड इन द हेलोअरीन, ये वाला बॉन्ड बेटा, CX बॉन्ड इन द हेलोअरीन विल बी शॉर्टर. ये वाला बॉन्ड विल बी शॉर्टर एंड दिस वन विल बी द larger. अब आप कहोगे why it is so like that? Means if S character decreases, why the bond becomes shorter? But actually the bond, and whenever we are talking about the hybridization, sp2 is here and sp3 is here. Usually we are saying in sp2 bond length is always shorter, in sp3 bond length is always larger, and whenever bond length is shorter, there is always a strong bond, and whenever strong bond is there, it means this reactivity is decreases. Clear? So this is due to the hybridization. Also we have explained that haloarine is less reactive. Now beta, we are having a third point. We are going to discuss about the polarity. Okay beta, what we are talking about the polarity. So beta, whenever we are talking about the polarity, you must see, all of you, this is again I am writing the chlorobenzene, and this is again haloalkane is here. But one thing we should have to know very well, all of us, कि they both are polar. Positive is there, negative is there. But you will see, this is sp3 hybridization, this is having a sp2 hybridization, and जिसका एस करेक्टर ज़्यादा होता है उसके कार्बन की इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी भी ज़्यादा होती है. ओके, देन कार्बन ऑफ द बेंजीन रिंग is having a more electronegative as compared to the carbon of the alkyl group. Okay, carbon of the benzene ring is having a more electronegativity as compared to the carbon of the alkyl group. Okay, therefore अगर इसकी इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी ज़्यादा है इस कार्बन की, ओके, तो इट विल अट्रैक्ट द पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन टूवर्ड्स itself. It means it is having very less tendency to release the electron towards Cl. This carbon is having very less tendency to release the electron towards the Cl. Is that clear? Therefore CCl bond in aryl halide is less polar, okay, but here it will be more polar. Now I might be you understood why it is more polar. It is more polar because here this carbon electronegativity is low, so it can release the electron very very easily, okay. So that is why polarity of the alkyl halide will be more. So what we can say, the dipole moment of chlorobenzene is also lower than that of the dipole moment of the haloalkane. Clear? तो दिस रीजन ओनली. अब इसका डाइपोल मूवमेंट कम है, दिस इज हैविंग अ डाइपोल मूवमेंट इज मोर. इफ डाइपोल मूवमेंट इज लेस तो इस रिएक्टिविटी ऑल्सो भी डिक्रीजेज. क्लियर है? आफ्टर दैट बेटा वी आर हैविंग अ पॉइंट नंबर 4. पॉइंट नंबर 4 इज हियर instability of phenyl cation. Instability of phenyl cation. So whensoever we are talking about the phenyl cation, means what they are going to tell you over there, let it be this is the chlorobenzene, and if you are going to remove this chlorine, what is going to happening over there? Beta ji, there is a formation of like this way, okay, plus Cl negative, but I will tell you this phenyl cation is not a resonance stabilized, okay, is not a resonance stabilized. Clear? So that is why is not resonance stabilized, that is why it is not possible. Means what we are getting is not possible, but in the RCl here we are getting R positive. This is the simple carbocation which is more stable than the phenyl cation. Okay, last point is here, that is about the repulsion. See, this is the chlorobenzene beta. Oh, am I right? What is it? Chlorobenzene. Suppose this is a nucleophile. Now nucleophile is electron rich. Nucleophile is electron rich species. A ring is also electron rich. You see this pair of electron. So that is why this nucleophile and this pair of electron will repel each other, and due to that addition of nucleophile or substitution of nucleophile will become very very difficult. Okay, once again I am telling you, chlorobenzene is electron rich. How it's electron rich? This pair of electron, you see this one, electron rich, and nucleophile is also having electron rich, so these both will repel with each other. Due to that nucleophile substitution will become difficult in the haloarine. Okay, but in the RX what is there? Here is the R positive, so it can go over here. Clear? So from these 5 points we can conclude that haloarine is always less reactive than that of the haloalkane. Thank you very much to all of you.